This is MedMen. It is a very interesting Apple Store-like display for CBD and cannabis products here in New York. So I was told I could film so long there's nobody in the picture. So you won't see any humans, but there are stores in this picture. Or there are humans in this store. And what I really like is the picture of the grow facility they have in Nevada. It's 45,000 square feet, and that's very cool. So you can probably come to this at your leisure next time you're in New York. It's right next to the crypto Gemini exchange. Very nice. A fun fact about the holes in the wall, they're not just for aesthetics, they're actually for shelving. They're waiting until they can display their marijuana and cannabis products once it's legal in New York. So while they're ready to go in New York, they're also expanding in Florida. They have 35 licenses already and 18 dispensaries that they've already rolled out. Stay tuned. Here is, I don't know, here's the competition. So yeah, they deliver Weed World 404. It's vegetarian weed, oddly enough. So one end you have MedMen, on the other hand you got Weed World candies. On the corner of 32nd, underneath the Empire State Building. Competition is heating up, and it's gonna be fun. Looking forward to seeing everyone at the AvantPay.io Cannabis, Cryptos, and Payments Conference later this year. Visit AvantPay.io for more information.